Welcome to a world where the future isn't predicted, it's engineered. Today, we take you deep inside one of the most revolutionary manufacturing hubs ever built, the Tesla Cybertruck Gigafactory. This is the birthplace of one of the most talked about vehicles in modern history, a machine that has redefined how we think about trucks, design, and industrial production. What you are about to witness is not just a factory tour, it is a journey through a new era of robotic precision, sustainable energy, and engineering brilliance. As the doors open, the first thing you notice is the sheer scale of this massive industrial ecosystem. Stretching across acres of advanced technology, the Gigafactory operates like a living organism, every section perfectly synchronized, every movement guided by algorithms, every piece of machinery working with laser focus. This is where raw stainless steel transforms into an armored electric beast known as the Cybertruck. Stepping onto the main production floor, you are greeted by a symphony of robotics. Towering mechanical arms glide with surgical accuracy, lifting, bending, and welding the ultra-hard stainless steel exoskeleton that defines the Cybertruck's unique shape. Unlike traditional vehicles that rely on curved metal stamping, the Cybertruck's exterior is made from ultra-cold rolled stainless steel, so tough that regular stamping machines simply cannot shape it. Tesla's solution: a specialized folding and bending process that looks more like origami than car manufacturing. Sparks fly as the robots create precise folds that turn flat metal sheets into sharp, geometric lines, giving the Cybertruck its signature futuristic look. Just beyond the exoskeleton area lies the heart of Tesla's innovation, the battery production zone. Here, the next-generation 4680 battery cells are created with incredible efficiency. These cells are lighter, more powerful, and designed to store significantly more energy than previous generations. You see automated lines working non-stop, fabricating the components that will eventually form the battery pack. Massive dry coating machines operate silently, delivering groundbreaking energy density without the need for toxic solvents. This section embodies Tesla's promise: cleaner technology, faster manufacturing, and more energy-packed batteries. Moving deeper into the facility, you reach the powertrain assembly area. This is where the Cybertruck gains its soul, the motors. Engineers monitor the lines closely as robotic stations assemble electric motors with micrometer accuracy. Magnets, copper windings, and precision-engineered components come together to create motors capable of brutal acceleration and unmatched torque. When paired with Tesla's advanced software, these powertrains enable the Cybertruck to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a jaw-dropping timeframe, shocking for something this massive. Next, we arrive at the casting zone. This is arguably one of the most revolutionary sections of the entire Gigafactory. Meet the Giga Press, one of the largest industrial casting machines in the world. This engineering marvel injects molten aluminum into colossal molds, producing the truck's entire rear underbody as a single piece. Traditional vehicles require dozens or even hundreds of parts welded together. Tesla does it in one shot. The result is extraordinary strength, reduced manufacturing time, and improved safety, all achieved with astonishing elegance. As we continue walking through the complex, we reach the paint division. Unlike other vehicles that rely heavily on painted surfaces, the Cybertruck's stainless steel exoskeleton doesn't require paint at all. Instead, this area focuses on internal components, protective coatings, and customization. Workers and robots perform detailed quality checks to ensure that every inch of the Cybertruck meets Tesla's demanding standards. Further ahead is the interior assembly section. Here, the Cybertruck's cabin begins to take shape. Robotic systems and skilled technicians install the panoramic glass roof, which is created using advanced structural glass that must withstand extreme pressure. The dashboard, inspired by spaceship minimalism, is fitted with Tesla's iconic touchscreen interface. Every seat, panel, and component is designed with a blend of durability and comfort, matching the Cybertruck's rugged personality. Now we step into one of the most fascinating parts of the Gigafactory, the software and calibration zone. Tesla vehicles aren't just machines, they are intelligent computers on wheels. Before each Cybertruck leaves the line, it undergoes a detailed software installation process. Here, engineers load the vehicle with Tesla's proprietary operating system, enabling features like autopilot, real-time diagnostics, and adaptive performance controls. The vehicle is then rolled into a specialized calibration chamber where cameras, sensors, and radar systems are aligned with absolute precision. This ensures that every Cybertruck can navigate, detect obstacles, interpret road conditions, and make smart driving decisions from day one. As we move toward the end of the production line, the final assembly takes place. This is where all major components, battery, body, powertrain, electronics, and interior, come together. Technicians perform final torque checks on bolts, measure alignment, test sealing for water resistance, and inspect every inch of the truck's angular exterior. Robotic scanners then sweep across the vehicle, checking for microscopic imperfections. If even the smallest flaw is detected, the Cybertruck is routed back for adjustments. Finally, we reach the testing area. Before any Cybertruck exits the facility, it endures a series of rigorous trials. Vibration tests simulate years of driving in minutes. Water tunnels blast the truck with high-pressure jets to ensure it is fully sealed. Then comes the rolling road test, a controlled speed evaluation where the truck is pushed to its limits indoors. Engineers monitor acceleration, braking, sound levels, battery performance, and motor response. Only after passing these intense tests is the Cybertruck cleared for delivery. But the Gigafactory isn't only about making vehicles. It's also a symbol of Tesla's mission for a sustainable future. Massive solar installations power large portions of the plant. Sophisticated recycling units process leftover materials. Water systems reduce industrial waste. This factory is engineered not just for output, but for longevity, efficiency, and environmental responsibility. As we walk back toward the entrance, the entire scale of the Gigafactory becomes even more impressive. It is more than a building, it is a blueprint for future manufacturing. A place where advanced robotics, human creativity, and sustainable energy come together to create something extraordinary. This is the birthplace of the Tesla Cybertruck, a machine that doesn't just challenge tradition, but breaks it. From stainless steel exoskeletons to next-generation batteries, from robotic precision to smart software, every part of this process represents a leap forward in technology. The Gigafactory is not just producing vehicles, it is producing the future. And as we step outside, the sound of machines continues in